Yo guys, what's up? HexxInkworks here. Today I'll be doing something I haven't done before, which is a promotional video. The video features a company that commented on one of my YouTube videos asking for a collaboration. Said company is a company called Madbomr. Now they were ideally wanting me to do a review about their products, but they don't really sell any products, they more sell a service, and said service is a Graffiti subscription box. Now I think this is a quite good idea, because subscription boxes are really good for if you're new to the game and you want to try lots of different things, because you're finding your feet, you're finding what you like and what you don't like. However, art supply subscription boxes aren't entirely a new thing. There is two that I know of off the top of my head, called Scrawlerbox and Sketchbox, but Madbomr is the only one to specifically target a graffiti based audience. Now, if you've got no idea what a subscription box is, basically it's just sort of like a magazine subscription but with products. So you would pay a certain amount of money each month, and then each month you will get a box delivered to your house with lots of different goodies in it. Now obviously Madbomr offers this service, but then they also have their previous boxes from previous months on sale as well. So if you just want to buy individual boxes, for example. The subscription costs $24.99, and that includes postage within the US. However, if you're international, meaning in another country, there's an $18 shipping fee. There is varying payment plans on offer. For example, you can pay month to month, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months. However, if you'd like to purchase a previous box, each box will cost $26.99. I fortunately had the opportunity to pick 3 out of any of the selection of boxes I liked. I ended up picking the May, March and August box. Now, although the subscription box is obviously a graffiti subscription box, they do not stock spray cans. And that's just basically because trying to ship aerosols is a massive pain, because since they're pressurised, they're classed as dangerous goods. So I'll first take you through the first ever box that they sold, which is the March box. With opening the box, there is obviously this little black envelope stuck on the top, which I quite like because it's utilising space. I'll start by checking out what's within this black little envelope. It turns out that this little envelope contains all types of different printed matter, such as information as to what's inside, and varying stickers of varying sorts, including blanks and then artist stickers as well. So the first thing I've actually pulled out of this box is a Sakura solid paint marker in pink, followed by a similar Markle B paint stick in orange, followed by a fat, really nicely sized hardback sketchbook, followed by a 02 Sakura Micron technical drawing pen. These use an archival ink which is weatherproof, and then a carbide tip scribe, followed by a 1M Posca marker in silver. If you don't already know, Posca is water based. And then a 10mm tipped 30ml MTN dabber filled with street paint in guacamole green. And then finally a bag of caps, where I have been given 2 MTN 94 super skinny caps along with 2 pink dot fat caps. Here is the first box in summary minus the stickers. Got quite a nice variation of different markers here, ranging from drawing, sketching markers such as the Sakura Micron, all the way to something on a totally different planet like the MTN dabber. Now I'll continue on to the second box I picked, which is the Mailbox. As always, I'll start off by seeing what's in the envelope. Now the first thing we have here to pull out appears to be a bandana, and with having a better look it is a bandana with a little gas mask thing printed on the face. Here we have a fine MTN water based marker in white, followed by the same in black. With these markers being of the finer variety, they're obviously more ideally designed for detail work, and with them being water based, they're non-toxic. Now here we have an infamous empty mop. Crank uses a similar sort of shape and style. Here we have an MTN Mute, which is a can silencer, which is basically just a really strong magnet that you put on the bottom of your can. Now these only work with cans that have steel mixing balls, because obviously if they have glass mixing balls, the mixing ball isn't made of metal, so the magnet can't attract it. Here we have two fine Zeek painty markers, one in Kun Kun Fiesta, which is the pink, and with them having a metal body I presume they're going to be of an oil base. Here we have a mixed bag of caps. Here we have 3 New York fat caps, a MTN transparent 94 cap, a MTN hardcore cap, a red calligraphy cap, and an Art Primo Easy Rider female cap. And here we have some sort of weird but interesting foam dumpster. Followed by a 100W Pentel white marker. With the small metal body I presume it's of an oil base. And then finally we have a MTN 94 graphic marker in purple. And like most graphic markers it's double sided, one side with a fine tip and the other side with a broad chisel tip. Now here's the box in summary. You can see I've got a nice variation of different things, ranging from little sort of accessories like the MTN mutes down to the necessities such as spray paint caps. Now here we have the third and final box that I've picked, which is the August box. As always, I'll start off by seeing what's in the envelope. And the first thing I pulled out of here was another Sakura solid paint marker in an emerald green sort of colour. Then we have this weird printed out backdrop that I suppose you're supposed to do some work on. Then we have a 10mm empty grog squeezer, followed by a magic ink marker in orange. Magic ink markers are known for having a glass body. Followed by a cute little canvas and easel. I quite like this, I'll definitely do something on this and decorate my room with it. Then we have a joystick 80ml refill in green. Followed by a Letraset flex marker in grey. It has a brush tip on one side and a chisel tip on the other. And 2 Faber-Castell pencils. These 2 pencils are rated at a B hardness. And a bag of caps again. And here we have 2 New York skinny cap, an Art Primo Fan US cap, a fat black pink dot cap, another red calligraphy cap, a winged cap adapter which allows you to use any mainstream caps such as these ones on female valved cans, and then finally we have the Art Primo Easy Rider cap again. And finally, once again, here is the last summary because this is the last box. Once again, a nice variation of different products, ranging from the basic necessities such as even pencils, to something that is a little bit more personal such as a canvas. And to finish this off, I thought I'd do a general summary of all the boxes combined together. Madbomr's definitely gone out of his way to seriously hook me up. I keep sort of repeating the same thing about the boxes, but it's only because it's true. There's a really nice variety in the products you get. You can tell that Madbomr has put a lot of thought into this, with the different products he supplies, the specifically graffiti based things such as the mops, all the way down just to normal pencils. There's a nice selection of different caps, and even the different printed goods, like how we include stickers, I think is a great idea, along with all the little info sheets as well, like how to make Ghetto Crink. Considering from what I've seen, this guy is just an amateur similar to myself. He's got a good idea of what he's doing, his website's pretty slick, this is obviously financially viable for him, he's obviously needed to figure that out, and he uses Instagram for promotion, which is a basic marketing technique. I hope all the best for him, and I've enjoyed doing this video for him. This has been HexxInkworks with the Madbomr Graffiti subscription box review. Peace out.